Good morning. I'm back with another 12 Days of Christmas from Six for You and another stocking. Yeah, day 11. Okay, that's what I'm on. So I did finish day 10 and I actually started day 11 because for day 12, I want to have 11 and 12 done. So I went ahead and started it. But that's where I'm at now. And I think it turned out so cute. They all are. Now, six for you. Day 11. I don't know what it is. But I've been curious because it's really flat. It could be a pattern. It could be fabric because it's flimsy. But I don't know. But it's a pattern. Okay, come on out. Ooh. Oh, look at it. So that is the pattern. And it's from Made by Silks for You. I love it. I love the colors in it. Ah. Okay, so that leaves us one day. And I'm curious. And once I'm done with all the days, I will lay out everything and take a picture of it so y'all can see all of it and in order that we got it. But that is it. I need to go stitch day 11 and day 12 stocking and work on my Jelly World and work on Elmo. So I got busy December for sure. But I hope everyone has a blessed day, and I will see you in a couple of days.